Look who cock up in living room.
It's a relief. I'm back in the living room. Well, I'm still far from everybody because I want to stay far. My mask behind me, but at least I'm doing first step, comfy.
Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA, in my house. You guys, it's a brand new day here on this side of the world in beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Nice, France. If you are new to the channel, that's where we are, and my name is Melissa and welcome to the family vlog. Today is gonna be a not so busy day because I decide to make today a not so busy day. Today I'll just cruise control. I'll lay down at intervals and do almost nothing. But before I get into that mindset, I got up this morning. I got my boy ready for school, get him breakfast, make him his green juice, send and drop him off, and I just got back. I'm back now and I'm preparing babe breakfast. I also look after Sarah already. Sarah is watching TV right now so that I can get babe breakfast ready. Yeah, so that's what I'm up to right now. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying safe, staying loved, staying motivated, staying blessed, staying encouraged. And listen, I'm going to give you a little motivational talk this morning and salute a few people that I really want to salute. Let me tell you, it doesn't really matter what anybody think about you. Be grounded in who you know that you really are. I was watching I think Yendi last night, and I was watching an episode with a fellow YouTuber called Rush Cam, and one thing that he said that stood out to me last night was he stopped lighting fire to make others warm. And I'm saying, wow, what a phrase. Stop lighting yourself on fire to make others warm. You go figure that out. Be encouraged. Stop lighting yourself on fire to make others warm. Do you, boo? Stop lighting yourself on fire to make others warm. That's deep. Anyway, you guys, with all that said, I must salute single mothers. I point that out because last night I was sitting down and I was saying, wow, doing all the things that babe used to do around the house and out, that plus the things that I do, I'm saying, wow, how does single, not even just single mothers, all the single parents does it with multiple kids. That is no joke. You guys are heroes. Single parents are heroes. You're amazing. And listen, babe, I knew already that you used to do a lot around here, but having you isolated for the past few days has made me appreciate you even more. Yo, listen, single parents, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. The strength that you have is just undescribable. With all that said, let me show you guys what I'm making for breakfast for babe this morning. So last night I made some tea and I have it brewing on the stove all night, honey child. It is strong to the gods, okay? This tea is no joke that I'm about to give babe right now. He had some last night before bed, and I'm going to give him some more right now. So that's inside the tea. Let me show you. All right, so inside here we have garlic, we have lemon, we have ginger, and we have orange skin. All right, so I am going to sweeten it with some honey for babe. Sweeten that with some honey. Honey. Alright. And throw that in there. This is strong to the gods. Ooh. Alright, so that's the babe tea. And he's having some grapes, he's having his green juice, and then I'm going to give him a crepe. And inside the crepe, instead of putting chocolate, I'm going to put honey. Yes. So there goes breakfast this morning for babe. I should have used the other tray. This one seems small. Alright, so there goes breakfast for the babe this morning. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? I'm here making lunch for babe and I. What's wrong, Sarah? She just saw Papa and he left. He went back into the room. I closed the door and she started crying. So this is babe lunch for today. We have tomato, lettuce, carrot, cashew, avocado, corn, and tuna with cayenne pepper. There we go. Lunch. And mine is gonna be the same. Look how she throw away the comb. See how she throw away the comb? You guys, I'm here combing Princess here. But of course we have to distract Miss Busy with everything. Look how she throwing away all the fandangos. You guys, the way how Sarah hair shape, it's shaping with a sweep at the front. So it's not easy to catch the front properly. It's not easy at all to catch the front of her hair because it have a sweep. Got her little ponytail. Wait until Papa sees her. I remember my mom always got my hair in three like this. One at the back and two at the front. This is the life I dream about, having my daughter. Oh my God. Yep. Ever since I was a little girl, this is what I visioned. Watch me, baby. Watch me, baby. Oh my God. My baby have hairstyle. Thank you. No, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We're done. We're finished. All done. All done. Show the faves a hairstyle. Who is that? Who is that? Look at the one at the back. My baby here combing that tree. Is the bag she wants. Thank you. Who is that? Hi. Hi. Cuckoo. 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 Say cuckoo. Cuckoo. Whatever that means. Pizza Friday. Pizza Friday. You want pizza? Yes. You want pizza? Pizza. Pizza. It says it's called pizza. Say pizza. Can you say pizza? Come here. Say pizza. Pizza. Up. 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 Good girl. Good job. You guys. It's she tired. You guys, it's afternoon right now, and like I promised you guys that I wasn't gonna do anything today, I laid down all day today. I fell asleep one point I think, but I didn't do nothing much. I went and picked up Tyler from school and we're home. Tyler, the faves haven't seen you all morning. Tyler?
Yes, Mama.
The faves haven't seen you all day. Say hello.
Wagwan.
You want pizza, Sarah? You want pizza? Pizza. That's all you have to say to the faves. The faves, how was your day at school?
Good.
Good.
Yes.
Awesome. Alright, you ready for pizza?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you 3 pizza.
Yay!
Yay!
Did you bake the bigger pizza?
No, just the smaller one.
How many mushroom and how many not mushroom?
Just eat it. I'm not sure.
Mama, you just almost finished.
Okay, so you're gonna finish first and let it cool?
Yes.
Okay. After those mini pizzas, I'm warming food from last night for dinner. We have vegetable soup remain, we got curry chicken remain, and we have a little rice remain, and I made a little veggies to go with that. So your girl ain't gonna cook. We warming tonight, honey child. Okay. No wasting of food around here. I see. You find me? What are you two doing?
We're playing.
No,
I just read Sarah this book.
okay. Very nice. You enjoying playtime with brother? Hmm?
She didn't listen to me.
She didn't listen.
No, she was just playing around saying, sa, sa, While I'm reading.
Look who cook up in living room.
It's a relief. I'm back in the living room where I'm still far from everybody because I want to stay far. Mama's behind me, but at least I'm doing the first step, comfy in the living room.
I want back my bed. I want back my
She won't get
bed.
her bed right now. Soon, need to clean all of the
Fandangles,
right, need to clean
the
the bed
sickness.
sheet, but we need to disinfect and clean the room too.
Oh yeah.
So that's one thing that we need to do. So we can do that over the weekend.
Yeah.
But at least I don't kiss. I don't kiss the kids yet.
You don't even hug.
But
Much less to kiss.
I'm coming here.
He's
Tonight
slowly
I got-
drawing close like
yeah,
a
I got dinner
snail.
here tonight. I
You
mean,
got promoted to the table.
Two person at the table, one in front of the other one. She was far from me, and I was. But at least that's the first step. That's whoo, and to be alone. Yes, that's a big step. I'm here, so we're gonna watch TV tonight. I cut back TV. I can stop watching my baby screen and share a moment together. So yeah, that's a big step after 10 days of quarantine. Normally it's 7 days, but as we said earlier, we decided to be very careful. So yes.
I want to know how you're doing, how you're feeling.
I'm fine.
Yay!
I mean, yesterday and the day before, I had a little headache, but as you know me, I always have headaches, so I don't put the headache on the blame of the coronavirus. You know, coronavirus do so much already, but not this headache, I'm sure. So I'm okay now. I'm okay. I just feel a little bit of pain in the back, but otherwise I'm good. I'm good. I'm gonna do a test this weekend. Gonna do like a 1 hour walk with a little speed. I mean, still gonna be walk. It won't be fast, but I see how my body will react to that and how we'll feel after that. And yes, so that will be my challenge for the weekend. But for now, I'm good. I'm happy to be back, and yeah, I'll soon be back completely.
It's good to have you lounging in the living room across from me.
That's when you meet somebody that you realize how much this somebody is important. I
So
know I am
that's
very
our
important.
distance. That's step number 1. Hi, over there. That's a good step. You're far away from me. You're 2 shoulder length away from me. Stretch your hand. Can you touch mine? Nah.
For
Anyway, you guys, the kids are off to bed, and I have babe can watch TV with me tonight. Hopefully, I can get back my bed tomorrow or the day after that. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna end today's vlog here. It wasn't much, but of course, you know, I'm gonna give you what we have. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys
tomorrow.
tomorrow.